Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This year I have been pretty consistent on YouTube, especially the Every Friday Mi Band 3 theme series. Today in this video I am sharing my top 5 favorite Mi Band 3 themes. Also, do let me know how many of you are planning to upgrade to Mi Band 5 or any other smart band or watches in the comments below. At number 5, we have the Joker theme. This theme had some really great icons and cool animation inspired from Joker character from 2019 Joaquin Phoenix movie. Long press animation has Joker throwing cards animation, which makes it different from others. At number 4, we have the Kabir Singh theme. The theme is inspired from 2019 Bollywood film Kabir Singh. This theme has some great stills from the movie under about section. Also, long press animation is inspired from the bike scene in the movie. There is also some great watch faces included with this theme. Next, we have theme inspired from one of the most popular American cartoon show, Ben 10. Underboard we have Ben's image, which looks clear and neat. Icons resembles various aliens from the cartoon series. Long press and swipe up animation has cannonball rolling animation. The heart rate monitor animation in this theme has Omnitrix, which helps it to make it to number 3 position. At number 2, we have one of the most popular Mi Band 3 theme, PUBG theme. This is one of the most perfectly made theme for Mi Band 3. Icons resembles various items from the game like helmet, grenade, pan, etc. Also, this theme was one of the first themes to bring custom watch faces for Mi Band 3, hence it made to number 2 position. And finally, at number 1, we have my all-time favorite theme inspired from Apple Watch series, Apple Watch theme. This theme not only have icons similar to original watch, but also the watch faces are similar to Apple Watch. It has lock screen animation inspired from older iPhone slide to unlock animations, hence this is my all-time favorite theme for Mi Band 3. All the downlinks for the above mentioned themes will be present in the description section below. Also, if you are planning to buy Mi Band, then do use my referral link present in the description section. Do let me know which is your favorite theme in the comments. Till then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.